In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set double line spacing in Microsoft Word. Adjusting line spacing is an important formatting tool that can make your documents easier to read, especially for essays, reports, or professional papers. Double line spacing is commonly required in academic settings, and Microsoft Word provides a simple way to apply it consistently across your text. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and select the text you want to format. If you want to apply double spacing to the entire document, you can press Ctrl+A to select all the text quickly. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, where you'll find the Paragraph group. This section contains all the essential formatting options for spacing, indentation, and alignment. Within the Paragraph group, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. A drop-down menu will appear showing different spacing options. Select 2.0 from the list to apply double spacing to your selected text. Word will automatically adjust the spacing between lines, making the document more readable and visually balanced. If you want more control over line spacing, select Line Spacing Options from the drop-down menu. This opens the Paragraph dialog box, where you can fine-tune the spacing settings. In the spacing section, you can choose multiple spacing options such as single, 1.5 lines, double, at least, exactly, or multiple. Setting double here ensures the spacing is consistent regardless of font size or paragraph style. You can also adjust the spacing before and after paragraphs to create additional visual separation if needed. Applying double line spacing is particularly helpful when preparing drafts that require comments or editing, as it provides more space for margin notes and reduces visual clutter. It also ensures that your document looks professional and adheres to formatting standards. Once you've set the desired spacing, click OK to apply the changes. All selected text will now display with double line spacing, and any new text you type in the same paragraph style will automatically follow this formatting. This makes it easy to maintain consistency throughout your document without manually adjusting each line. By following these steps, you can quickly format any Microsoft Word document with double line spacing, making your content clear, professional, and ready for submission or presentation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.